For this unit, you and a group will be using Canva to create a macromolecule restaurant menu. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to do so. The first thing you're going to do is go to canva.com. As you can see, I'm already on the screen. And the next thing you're going to do is you are going to click Login. When you click Login, it will take you to a place where it says you're going to log in here. And you're going to click Login with Google. You will use your school Google account to log in. So when I click there, you can see here, I have my Google, my West York account here. The second thing you're going to do is you are going to find a template. So you want to click here on Find a Template, and you're going to search templates. I found the best way to do this is to search for restaurant menu. And as you can see, we have a lot of choices here that pop up. You and your group will go through and pick one that fits your theme. So I'm just going to say today I'm going to use, let's say I'm doing a Mexican restaurant for my theme, and I will pick one of these. Let's just go with this one here. I click it, it comes up, and I'm going to click Use This Template. The next thing that's going to be really important is that you share, so click here, Share, with your group. It's important that you type in all of the addresses for your group members, and you're going to make sure that you have it on Can Edit so that you can all work on this at the same time. Once you have shared it, you're going to start your project. So first thing I want you to do before you start editing this is I want you to look back at your rubric and remember all the things that you need to include in this project. Once you've gone over that and have a list of what you need to include, you are going to start editing. So to edit this, all I'm going to do is click something. So let's just say I want to edit the title. Here, I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to type Contras Mexican Restaurant. And that's going to be the name of my restaurant. So if you see here, I just typed it in. And then I can use these tools here and I can move this around. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, I can even delete it if I want to. Then if I want to add text, so I deleted that, but now I want to go back in and add it, I can click here, delete that, and then I'll go to text, add a heading, and then I can retype in Contras Mexican Restaurant. So there that is, and I will move that up to the top. And then again, I can change the font, the color, all that up here at the top on this toolbar here. So as you're doing this, you want to make sure that you are adding descriptions of all of your foods here. So you have your appetizers, your entrees, and you can see if you need it to, it can go onto a second page here. And all you're going to do is go through and erase and fix those. So then the other thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add in some pictures. So to add pictures, you're going to click here on Uploads. And you can use any of their images, but you can also upload your own. So what I'm going to do, you can upload your own image, and it'll take you to your pictures. You go here, I'm going to scroll down, make this small icons, and I have one here called Burrito. So I'm going to add this picture in. Once it's uploaded, I'll click it, and it'll pop it right in here where I can move it around. I can resize it wherever I'd like. So I'm just going to put that there for now. So that's how you add a picture. So again, as you're going through, you want to make sure that you are adding in all of your components that are on your rubric, like the pictures, the descriptions, all the different terms for macromolecules. And then before you exit for the day, you want to make sure again that you have shared it with your group. And then when you're completely done, you can download a version of it. So you're just going to download it as a PDF. You're going to hit all pages, and then you're going to hit download. You'll see it says that. Now, when it comes up, it says it's going to charge you for the design. We don't want to be charged for the design, so we are going to just do a watermarked copy. So you can see that I click watermark copy, And that's going to be okay because we're not actually making a restaurant menu. We're just downloading it for a school project. So once I click that, I've downloaded it. You can see it will pop up here in a minute. So here it is. We have our great menu. And then you're just going to click print. And you want to print that to the color printer in the library. It's very important that when you're doing your menus, you remember to refer back to your rubric. You don't want to use their descriptions. You want to use your own because you need to include all those macromolecule terms. So other than that, you should be good to go. If you have questions, please feel free to email me or ask me during class. Enjoy making your menus.